Lost or need to replace your key fob? You can program a new one yourself on your 2017 GMC Sierra 1500, saving time and money. This involves syncing the fob's radio frequency with your truck's receiver module. Note that as of late 2025, the process remains largely unchanged from GM's original guidelines. While aftermarket tools and apps can assist, this video focuses on the manual method using your truck's built-in system. Keep in mind that the vehicle's body control module, BCM, stores up to 4 fobs. Programming overwrites old ones. Battery depletion in key fobs remains a common issue. Ensure you have a fresh battery in your new fob before starting. First, ensure all doors are closed and the key is out of the ignition. Next, insert the key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position, but don't start the engine, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 3 times within 10 seconds. The Driver Information Center may display Remote Learn pending. Immediately press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the new key fob simultaneously for 15 seconds. Finally, cycle the ignition again to the on position and test the key fob. Repeat steps 2 through 4 for any additional fobs you want to program. If the process fails, try again ensuring precise timing, or consider using an aftermarket tool for assistance. If issues persist, consult a professional, as aftermarket alarms or stereo systems can interfere with the BCM signal.